Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Today, in just a few minutes, we are going to walk you through 3 powerful exercises that will save you from having a flat backside. Simple exercises you can do without going to the gym. Plus, I will share variations so you can do them right from your home. And that's not all. For every exercise, I will also give you a natural high-protein smoothie recipe that will help you boost your glutes and build the shape you dream of. Stay with me till the end, and you will make it happen. Once you activate your glutes the right way, transformation becomes unavoidable. The key is to target specific glute muscles that people often forget to train. And this is where our first major move steps in: isometric hip abduction. This exercise is a silent warrior against flat and saggy glutes. Its primary purpose is to strengthen the gluteus medius, a muscle that helps give your glutes a more rounded, lifted appearance and reduces the look of hip dips. A strong gluteus medius is also essential for stabilizing your pelvis, protecting your knees and lower back from strain and injury. How to do it? It's very simple and can be done at home. Stand beside a wall or stable surface. Place a yoga block or foam roller between your thigh, the one closest to the wall, and the wall. Lift your foot slightly so all your weight rests on your supporting leg. Now press your thigh into the block, pushing toward the wall. You should feel both glutes engage, not just the one pressing. Maintain pressure and tension the entire time. Do not allow your knee to collapse inward. Keep your knee, hip, and foot aligned. A variation of this exercise is using a medicine ball instead of a block. Since this is an isometric exercise, the goal is to hold tension. Hold each side for 30 to 60 seconds. Do 2 to 4 sets total, resting 30 to 60 seconds between sets. For visible results, perform this 3 to 4 times per week, leaving a rest day in between for muscle recovery. Protein Booster Smoothie. Steel Glutes Shake. This smoothie isn't just a drink, it's your muscle repair fuel. Ingredients: 1 frozen ripe banana, 1/2 cup plain unsweetened Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons natural peanut butter or almond butter, 1 tablespoon chia or flax seeds, 1 cup milk, regular, almond, or oat, a handful of fresh spinach, optional. Recommendation: drink this within 30 to 60 minutes after training to maximize protein synthesis and muscle recovery. Now that your glutes are activated and awake, let's move on to an exercise that helps fight hip dips and gives your glutes a more lifted, sculpted look: wall isometric squat. This move looks simple, but don't underestimate it. It hits your quads, hamstrings, and glutes all at once. Strengthening this entire region improves your glute shape and increases stability in your pelvis and legs. How to do it? Stand with your back against a wall and step your feet forward, hip width apart. Lower your hips slowly until your knees form a 90-degree angle, as if sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your back and glutes firmly pressed against the wall. Hold the position as long as possible. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds each. Practice 3 to 4 times per week for dramatic results. Pro tip: there are many variations to increase difficulty as you get stronger. If you want us to show all versions to revive and lift your glutes even more, comment below. Glute exercises for me. Your comment helps us plan our next video for you. Protein Smoothie Number 2. Dream Booty Shake. Ingredients: 1/2 cup cottage cotta, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1 tablespoon honey or 1 date, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Recommendation: drink after your workout for maximum muscle growth support. Now we reach the third and final exercise, but certainly not the least important. To sculpt and finish shaping your glutes, we will do banded hip abduction, commonly called the clamshell. This exercise directly targets the gluteus medius and gluteus minimus, the outer glute muscles crucial for rounded glutes and reducing hip dips. It also improves pelvic stability and prevents hip, knee, and lower back injuries. How to do it? Lie on your side with knees bent and feet together. Place a resistance mini band around your thighs just above the knees, keeping your feet touching. Exhale and slowly open your top knee away from the bottom one. Move with control and feel the side of your glute working. Hold 1 to 2 seconds at the top before lowering slowly. Do 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. Rest 30 to 45 seconds between sets. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. It's also great as a warm-up before your main workout. Protein Smoothie Number 3. Glute Goddess Elixir. Ingredients: 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon maca powder, a generous handful of spinach, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1 pitted medjool date, 1.5 cups unsweetened almond milk. Recommendation: drink after your workout to maximize recovery and move closer to achieving those round, firm glutes you dream about. Now you have the complete routine, your turn to start. If these exercises are exactly what you needed, tell us in the comments how you feel and where you're watching from. Share your age and country. I'd love to read your journey. And if you're ready to keep taking care of yourself, Here are more videos on screen to help you build stronger legs and a more sculpted, lifted booty. Let's go.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.